Reaching out across the night now, standing here waiting for a little sign that it's not over. We can still fight till the end. You don't want to see me right now, and I get it, you're still hurt, but I can't seem to let go. This is always meant to be. You say why? Just tell them that it's human nature. Why do I do you that way? You ask why? I tell you that it's human nature. Why can't I fix myself? You deserve so much more than I can give, but you keep on coming back. I'm trying to fix myself, but there is no solution for the way that I've been acting. Oh,